All right, y'all see what I got, man? Cat converter, man. Cat converter. P0420, I think is what it was. Yeah, this is a new one. It's actually restricted. Okay, I got no power on this little thing. This is one my daughter drive. But at any rate, you got to be careful with cat converters and PT Cruiser. They do not go together. For one thing, the price of them. This price of these cats, especially a brand new one, can easily exceed the value of your car. So you got some big time decisions to make if you want to put money into replacing your cat converter. And I mean, I got this one at a deal, a real steal. These things can run $300, $400, $500 at a aftermarket parts store. It can almost get to $1,000 at a dealership. But like I say, I got this one. This is brand new at a steal. I don't really want to say where I got it from because that could be a conflict of interest, and I don't want to lose any sponsors by mentioning where I got it from. But I didn't pay much for this at all. And think about it, it's select fit, so there's no cutting involved. It looked cheesy and cheap, don't it? That's all right, as long as I don't have that restriction. Like I said, I wasn't chasing so much. I did have a check engine light, but I wasn't chasing. I'm not trying to get emissions or something, because y'all know how to get around getting an emission on these cars, and I'm not about to talk about that right now. But for now, I'm trying to restore power back. I remember back in the day, some of you old school mechanics know how I used to check for restricted exhaust using a vacuum gauge. Man, I'm digging out cobwebs right now. We used to, in order to find a restricted exhaust system, we used to hook up a vacuum gauge to the engine, rev it up, and see if the needle dropped. If the needle dropped and stayed dropped, that usually indicated restricted exhaust. Okay, the computers are now more sophisticated, and if you got a restricted exhaust now, it would try to compensate for a lot of things and throw all kinds of weird code. So, but for the most part, I can tell this is an exhaust. You can simply stick your hand in the back of the muffler. If you're not hardly getting anything out, then yeah, suspect you got a restricted exhaust. But I'm about to replace this. Nothing spectacular about doing it, so I won't bother filming it. Just wanted to talk about it. Cat converter on a PT Cruiser, be careful, because it can easily exceed the value of your car. At a dealership, you'll be out of $1,500. This plus labor, brand new Mopar Cat plus labor, almost $1,500. Is your PT Cruiser worth $1,500? Now, I don't want to belittle anybody's PT Cruiser, but again, you got to be careful as it relates to price. All right, I got this one dirt cheap and a limited lifetime warranty. I never knew. Well, I still don't know. Limited lifetime. What is limited? Because if it ever fail again, I'm basically going back and get either a new one or my money back. So I'm not sure what they mean when they say limited. If anybody know the answer to that, put it in the description below. What do these parts places mean when they say limited lifetime warranty? All I know, if it breaks, I want another one. All right. So let me get this put on, man. I'll get back with y'all. Cat converter on PT Cruiser. Y'all know I love PT Cruiser, but don't let this exceed the value of your car. Make sure your car is worth it, and you really love your car before you invest in a cat converter job. All right. So, all right, man. I'll get back with y'all later. Let me get this cat converter on. Peace. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.